condensed glue gel right here, just a little bit. We are going to put some centerpiece. You can do anything you want. You can do a metal frame, which is I am going to do, and then a crystal, or you can just like doing a crystal itself, it works as well. So in this one, I am go ahead and using the matte top coat. Okay. Hello, gorgeous Rasta. Hello, how are you? And then place a frame right in the middle. And then I'm gonna pick the Glow in the Dark's beautiful pink right in the middle. Let's give it a quick cure for 30 seconds. And I'm gonna show you how to create it. This looks so quick, simple, and easy. And only the two that you need, it absolutely is the two colors of whatever you want for your for the 3D flowers. And then I am going to using a Duer 3D brush. So one end you using it for liquid and powders, acrylics, liquid and powders, flowers, and then the other end you using is for 4D and 5D gel. So I'm gonna using this end. And just get a little alcohol on the tray just in case you need to clean this. If you have a tacky layers, you don't need to saturate your beads, which is your 4D gel beads, while you are doing the application. So I have like few beads. So the first round, I'm going to using the same size of the beads. I'm gonna pick like 1, 2, and then 3. So you're just feeling like just thinking that you were putting like a triangle. So like 2 petals here, and then now all you need to do using your 3D dual brush and using the tips 145 degree, it already does all the work for you. And then go to the right, go to the left, press gently. Don't have to go too aggressive, just gentle, and press it down. And then keep in mind, you can definitely do it bigger, smaller beads. If the nail shorter, you can definitely use it. Pick up smaller beads. You don't have to get in a really big beads unless your clients want a big cute flowers on the nails, or you have a longer nails, which is the canvas gonna be bigger for you, then you want a bigger flowers. And then you don't have to worry about it to make it perfect yet, because it's not going to set. I mean, it mean is dry on you. And then you can have time to go back and to kind of like a balance and perfect the petals the way you wanted it. If you don't like is a little bit round, you can get a little bit pointy, however you would like. And then I feel like it's a little bit of residues on tip of my silicone brush, and I'm go ahead and clean it with alcohol and then wipe it off and continue to sculpting my beads. Press down really gentle, like basically you are doing it like you are touching a baby, like feather it, not press it too hard and aggressive. So I'm gonna just using the tip and pull right in the end of the petals and make it a little bit point on the edges to make it look cute. And then you can do as like a round petals, depend on whatever type of flowers you want to. Okay. And then you don't have to settle for this. You can able to like go back and adjusting it, just using a really gentle the tips. And I'm gonna go blend a little bit because we are going to go in the second bead and the second layer. Okay, so now we are happy with this. I am a go ahead go ahead and flash key it for just 10 seconds. This is all the way in the letter writing. Just 10 seconds, and then I am go ahead and pick like 3 more beads, smaller beads. Then so we're gonna use it on the second layer. The second layers you can do it's like the beads a little bit smaller. Here, let me move this one so it won't be too busy. Okay, so let's do that. I'm gonna put 1 bead right there, 1 bead right here. I'm getting a smaller one. This one right there. And then using the 3D Doers brush, and then press it down using the tips and kind of spread it on the left and on the right. And then you feel like, I'm gonna show you just really quick, you feel it's a little bit extra, right? You can using the tips of your bristle and kind of remove the excess. That is what I love about is a 4D gel. It will always give you a room for you to create. If you need more, add some more. This is so perfect for beginner and for a nail lover. All right, so going to the second, press down.
Awesome. So what I'm actually using is Glitz 4D gel. It won't dry until you cure, so you have all the time in the world to mold into whatever shape you like.
And then you can remove it if you feel like they are big or small. You can add some more. If you feel they are a little bit big, like me, like right now, I can adjusting it absolutely. Just remove it. And then also you can use it, keep your excess for the next petal if you want to continue doing it like others petals. And then press down, and then there are this 2 petals is not dry because we are going to key it after we finish. And also just in case you want to like adjusting the beads, I mean the petal, however the way you want it. I love about this is so cool that you can able to create it so much, and then you're feeling, I feel like a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna just get off this part right there. And then we are going to, and it's so simple and it's so easy to create with the 4D gel, and it's no tacky layer when you are done. You can see that now is the petal is smaller. You know what, if you want biggers, you can add some more on. I just remove because I want to be kind of even with the other 2. Okay, you can give it a little bit to like, just like curl right there. Okay. Now if you're happy with this, we are going to, I'm just using the tip of it to remove all the excess, the gel that I don't want to. And if I'm happy with this, we'll all go ahead and key it. But I'm gonna using the tip of the 3D Duo brush, and I'm gonna just blend it right here. If you're seeing that, it just kind of blend it. So a lot of video you see me, I share with you doing like the petal first and then the crystal after. So this time is make it easy. We are doing the centerpiece first. So just in case that yours first start with, you can having so much fun without worry about you're not sure if where should you place your flowers, and then when you after you place it, and the petals always go different directions and it doesn't turn out the way you wanted it. So I'm gonna flash key it just 10 seconds to make sure that, and then I'm moving on the leaves. I will not mess it up. But if you feel really comfortable after a couple times you are doing, you can definitely go ahead and continue with your leaves that if you want to. But I'm gonna pick, this is the emerald. Also, you can use the deep green as well, which is the same the colors I'm using. So there's like 27 different colors, 40 for you to choose from. I having so much fun with the any colors, either like lighter, darkers, bright, vibrant. I love the vibrance, like a 40. So this, I'm gonna using this beads right there, and maybe I was like cut this in half using my dot tool and use this half for this part, and then I'll use the other half. So you can do your beads, I mean smaller, bigger. You can do your petals like big, small, however you want. Let me move this one on this side for a second. And then we're gonna continue using the tip, press it down, do the same, like the same techniques, the same step that I shared with you. Using the tip, press it on the left, press it on the right, and then using the tip and have a draw, soft draw look to create the leaf that you want. Okay. This will be a great, you know, it's not only, you can create just so many. This is one of the cute, simple flowers you can do. Again, press it down, go to the right, press on the right, press on the left, and then you can control your leaf like around or more pointy, however you want your leaf to look. Press it down. Press down and then turn, like press on the left, on the right, and in the middle. Just remember it's like 3 steps for me. Press it down and then spread it on the left, spread it on the right, or either way, left or right, it doesn't matter. You can do either one first, it's not matter at all. And then make the leaf is like pointed however you want. All right, so now because it's still wet, so we are going to take advantage from it because it's going to adhere your crystal so well. So I'm gonna go ahead and take advantage from it still wet. I haven't keyed anything yet. I'm gonna pick up the really small amount of condensed glue gels and just dab it in the edges of the leaf. If you don't want anything else, you do not have to do it. If you want some crystal bling bling on, is definitely you can do that as well. And I'm go ahead and using the matte top coat, just give it like really like a coat on the top. And then I am going to use some pink glow in the dark for my glow in the dark crystal kits. And the glow in the dark crystal kits number 2 is back in the stock now. It's great to get it for like a summer. So you can use a different colors, doesn't have to be pink. I just happened that I got the pink in the centers, and you can do anything. You can do green, you can do purple, you can do however you want. Oh, like Bahamas. All right, so happy with this. We're going to cure this for 60 seconds.